like we're here to hear that.
Right, here, listen. 51 to 62 are all basically the same. There's three parts of 51 to 54, but I'll do one problem from any of those. So 51 to 61, any of those, what would you like? Just 51, okay, very good. All right, so 51 it is. Oops, I gotta get my pen. All right, so, right, we have these two functions. Does anyone remember composition? Yeah, you do?
I don't even know if I learned that.
No, well, we went over it last year. I don't know if we learned it or not. Yeah.
Oh, well.
So that's a good question. All right, so we got three different things that we're doing, and they are written like this, and often you'll see this, so I'm going to write like that. I don't really care for that because it doesn't tell you as much, but they write it like that, they being math people. So, like, I like that way better because I think it makes more sense. So we're putting one function inside the other. Which one's going inside which? G is going in F. Okay, so then, right, it's easy just to substitute in like this. And then hopefully we all remember that whatever's in the parentheses is going into the function. So the F function just says take whatever you want to plug in and square it. So then f of g of x would look like x minus 1 squared. So is that okay? Okay, so maybe you need to simplify it out. Just remember that you're foiling here. I'm not really 100% sure. You know, if you have to, I don't know what they say in the back of the book, but if you did need to, right, x squared minus 2x plus 1. How does that make you feel? Good. Worry about your feelings.
Thanks.
Not yours.
Oh.
I mean, yours is fine. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. The guy's like a rock back here. Mentally.
Yeah, that's fair.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right. So, again, I like to think of it that way because I think it's easier. So, this is kind of just in the other order. Again, just substitute it in if it makes sense to. So then what's this going to look like? And by if it makes sense to, like, if it helps you. What is it?
X squared minus 1.
Yeah, so it's just x squared minus 1. You guys remember this stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, man, you guys are so good.
I remember it now.
So should we do f of f? Yeah, all you got to do is plug it in. Well, let's just do it quick then. F of x is, what'd you say it was? X squared squared, so what is it? Man, you guys are good.
Thank you.
All right, are we happy? Which ones should we? We're definitely going to do like 66. But what else would you like? Or does it matter anything else? Should I just do 66 and we're happy?
Yeah.
Okay, even you guys know how to do 63 then? All right, well, I don't want to get in your way. So how do you, okay, so if you can figure it out, how do you do this one then?
So when you solve for f of g and then plug 1 in for
Well, we got to do these graphs up here, so what do you do?
Don't you have to find like what the line is? Because like it just says g of x. It doesn't give us a line.
Well, they do give us something in each problem, though. So, like, this is why I like this one better. Maybe that makes you think of to do something. Yeah, the one's in the g, so can we find a value that is equal to g of 1? Yeah, okay, so right, g of 1 up to 3, right? All right, so then really what are we finding then? Yeah, we're really finding f of 3. So then, what is f of 3? 2. Is that okay? Do you like the way I used my lightsaber? Is that okay? Did everyone see how that worked?
Yeah.
Right, we started here with g of 1. Had to come over here to the g function. Over to 1, went up, found that g of 1 is actually 3. Right, so then we were finding f of 3, which was here. Which one did you say? How about I do 64? I don't want to take your excitement away. How will you have fun this weekend then?
How many problems is this? Let's see.
All right, what do you think then?
G of 1, or is it negative?
Well, that's subtract, so we're finding this new function, f minus g of 1. Okay, yeah, okay, so yeah, good. So really this is what you're doing right here. And then so it's 2 minus 3. And you actually end up doing this a lot with like tables and such. So is that okay? Makes me feel good. Your feelings are important, but not as important as mine to me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.